Hello, I'm back. Just to see if I'm recording. I'm recording! Okay, so guys, we left off this bird right at the mountain wall. But I purchased this bird, the crow. And now I'm getting fish, which is easy. Bugs, seeds, and mushrooms. Play. Let's see. But there are actually fish? Oh my god. What the heck? Fish? Like, what? I don't get this. There are no fish, and I can't find any of them. I'm like flying so close to the ground right now. Don't know if this counts as a fish. 'Cause it's let's see the call. Rah! 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 If you can hear it. Where are fish? What? I don't see the fish. I only get water from the water. I don't get this. There are no fish. What? This is always a part that I don't get. If there are nothing of that, how do I eat that? Let me just dive on this mushroom. No, I can't eat the flower either. I think they're in these. Maybe. Fish. I saw a fish. Oh, I get it. So fish are like, they look like seeds in the water. If I'm right. Like, that's what fish look like. Okay. I'm cool with that. Very cool with that. Look. I'm not touching the, if you can't see that, but, by doing this, I'm not touching the ground. I'm just sensing, like I'm not touching the computer desk. I'm gonna try and dive on, like, get a bunch of friends. It's gonna be amazing. Once I get to the top of the tree, I'm going to press escape. There. No, I accidentally pressed the click button. No. There. No. I almost fell there. Yay, okay. Escapo. Friend. Wait, there's a record. Oh, wow. Okay, that's cool with me. I'm gonna go to playoff. Add friend. Add friend. I'm just gonna add friends to everyone, so I'm think the spiders are fish because they don't. Like, you can't find them out of water. Just they couldn't make a fish. Like, they were too lazy to make them. Oh, yeah, I can. Oh, yeah. Epic. Let me eat you. Okay, watch this. I'm going to be amazing. Be amazing. Be amazing. No. Moment. Stare. Didn't touch the ground. Oh yeah. I did amazing on that. Didn't I? Okay. Now we gotta find food. No more dilly-dallying. Bugs. Anywhere. Hello, buggies. Hello, biggie. Seed. See a seed. Yeah. Escape. Let me just reset the character. Reset. Okay. I'm gonna be the bird that's easiest to play. Okay, bye guys. Sorry, I'm going